Shutterstock Music. 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 Shutterstock Music.
So children, today we are going to learn about how to handle files and folders. The first topic is creating and saving a new file. For that, we are going to first of all right click on desktop. When you do that, you will see a new option. Click on that and then go to Microsoft Office Word document to create a new Word file. You can change the name of the file. I'm writing class 4 as name of the file. Now you can see a new Word file is created by the name class 4. I can double click on this file to open it and then I can type whatever I feel like typing. So I am typing here something. Please read, and I am going to enlarge the size of my font. So I am now increasing the font size so that all of you can read it. Yes, hope you are enjoying your Zoom classes. Now children, I have entered some data into my file and therefore I need to save it. For that, I can go to my Office button, click on it, go to Save As if I want to change the file name. So let's say from class 4, I would like to change the file name to class 4 Monday. So I'm typing Monday over here and then I click on Save. So after that, you can see that on the title bar, you will see the file name has changed and it has become class 4 Monday. Now I can close the file. On the desktop, you can see Monday class 4 Monday as well as class 4. Both the files are there, right? Okay. Next is children creating a folder. Again, you right click on desktop, click on new, click on folder. This will help you to create a new folder. So I am going to give a new name to my folder and Zoom class is the name of my new folder. Can you see the difference between a file and a folder? Yes. So file, various types of files will have a different picture and folders will always be that yellow color folder. Next is children, we have to select a file or a folder. It's pretty simple. You simply click on a file or a folder just once to select it. If you have to open a file or a folder, you are required to double click on any file or folder. So I am double clicking on Animal on Rooftops, and you can see I could open this file. Now I'm going to close this file and tell you how to rename a file or a folder. So first of all, again I'm going to right click on the file or folder, then click on rename, and then I'm going to change the name to Class 4 Thursday. So you can see that my new file name is Class 4 Thursday. Next operation is children, deleting a file or a folder. For that, again I have to right click on the file or the folder, then click on delete option. This will help me to delete the file. As you can see, I have deleted the file, and where has it gone? Yes, it has gone to recycle bin. I'm going to open my recycle bin now and show you the file over there. So in the recycle bin, you can see the file Class 4 over there. Now children, once you delete a file from the recycle bin, you cannot get back that file. But if by mistake you delete some file, you can always restore that file. So for restoring a file, you have to select the file and restore the selected item. So click on that option. When you do that, your file will get back to its original location, and that is desktop. And children, you can see your file is there on the desktop. Next is children, I am going to restore Animal on Rooftops. If I restore it after right clicking over here, this is another way of restoring a file. So either you right click on it or you can click the option which is given there. Next is children, we are going to learn about how to move a file or a folder. Now moving means you want to change the location of the file. So for that, again you have to right click on the file, click on cut. When you click on cut, the file goes to clipboard. Then I'm going to move it to Zoom class folder. So I click on my Zoom class folder, right click and paste. So you can see Animal on Rooftops file is there in Zoom class folder. And children, it has been removed from the desktop. Next is children, making a duplicate copy of any file or folder. So I am going to make a duplicate copy of my Class 4 Thursday file. So click on it, click on copy. After that, go to Zoom class folder, right click again and click on paste. So you can see Class 4 Thursday file inside your Zoom class folder, and it is also there on your desktop. So duplicate copy of a file. Last option is children, creating a shortcut to a file or folder. Now creating a shortcut means you want to create a link of that particular file or folder.
Shutterstock Music.
So for that, again you have to right click on the icon and then you are going to click on Create Shortcut option. When you do that, your shortcut will be created. And how do you differentiate between your original file and your shortcut? The word shortcut will be written in the file name and you will see an arrow over there.
Shutterstock
So
Music.
these are the file handling operations about which you are going to learn in this chapter.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.